Hi you guys, I want to share with you some PR that I have received lately, which I am so thrilled about. So I want to thank Merit for sending me their beautiful PR package. This brings their new to be released soon Great Skin Double Cleanse Face Wash, the Great Skin Instant Glow Serum that I already own. This one right here, this is my second bottle. And then also the Great Skin Priming Moisturizer that I also own. They sent this to me in PR, and the serum, they sent me one and I purchased one because I love it so much. And then they also sent me another package, and this one is with the Great Skin Priming Moisturizer, the Uniform Tinted Mineral Sunscreen SPF 45, then the Perfecting Complexion Stick, and then they also sent me one of their brushes, which are amazing. Also, thank you Divi for the Air Dry Cream for Smooth and Define. It formulated to reduce frizz, boost smoothness and shine, enhance natural texture. And then also 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner. I love leave-in conditioners after I wash my hair. And I also want to thank Noyz. They sent me two beautiful perfumes. Both of these smell amazing. This one is the 12 o'clock, and this is the top notes of Australian pink pepper, jasmine petals, middle notes raspberry, and creamy blonde woods. The base notes are ambrosian and spun sugar. This smells amazing. And then this one is Lost and Found. I love the name of their fragrances, and I've tried both of these and they're really good. The top notes are Italian lemon, Australian pink pepper, middle notes are jasmine petals and rhubarb, base notes are cedar wood. This also smells so good. They're long lasting. I really do enjoy their perfumes. Thank you so much. And then last but not least, I want to thank Florence by Mills. They sent me some clothing items. This t-shirt is one of them, and I will link them below. Then they also sent me this zip hoodie, and I think I picked a size too big, but wow, this feels amazing. This is going to be so nice in the winter. It feels super soft on the inside, very nice and cozy. I can't wait to wear this. It has a nice zipper, heavy duty, that goes up and down very easily. It doesn't get stuck. And then I got these white leg sweatpants, and again, these feel so nice and comfy and nice and warm on the inside. So again, thank you so much Florence and Mills. I really do appreciate these products. I'm going to be sharing some of the Merit products in an upcoming video. It may be up already. For this, I'll link it below. Is the one where I'm doing a full face on Melania. Alright you guys, I'll see you soon. I love you. Bye. Mwah.